Ever wondered what my cat looks like when he's chilling? What? Boss. The boss. Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. But for today, it's all about toys. Not just any kind of toy, one of my favorite ones. We're going to talk about Funko Pops. In fact, we're going to unbox one of the most coveted, one of the most talked about, one of the most hyped Funko Pops here in the Philippines. This is the DARNA Funko Pop. Apart from unboxing it and checking it out, we will be also unboxing a few new Funko Pops that I was able to pick up in the last few days, including, guys, my ultimate grail Funko Pop. This is a Funko Pop that I've been hunting for months. Ever since I got into the hobby, it's a Funko Pop that has took me, well, literally a lot of effort and a lot of money to be able to afford and to add to my collection. So come with me, we'll unbox the DARNA Funko Pop first, and then I'll bring you guys along as we meet up the seller for my grail Funko Pop. Let's go! Speaking of Funko Pops, we're actually giving a bunch away. We're giving away the Jollibee Funko Pops that you guys see over here. So we're giving away the two normal Jollibee Pops as well as this Barong Jollibee Funko Pop in the latest giveaway that I announced, where I did the Jollibee mystery box unboxing. So apart from that, we're also giving away an Adidas ZX 4004D. We're giving away a bunch of gadgets and accessories from Bacious Philippines, as well as two smartphones. We're giving away an Oppo A5s and what's the other smartphone? A Redmi Note 7. So all you guys have to do, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, join the Facebook community. Links can be found down below to those three things, as well as the mechanics to the 4 giveaways. Go and good luck. So it looks like Jollibee isn't the only Filipino-inspired Funko Pop anymore. Jollibee, you stay over there. Guys, don't forget to join the giveaway. Today's guest, today's special Funko Pop, today's special unboxing is this one. Guys, this is the DARNA Funko Pop, officially licensed by the Ravelo Comics universe. Of course, the guys who actually made DARNA in the first place. Exclusively distributed by Big Boys, my favorite toy store here in the Philippines. It says over there, DARNA, number 23, together with that really cute DARNA costume with the tiara at the top with the diamond and the helmet, the red and the gold, the beaded like belt, as well as that piece of cloth that runs down there. I have no idea what that's for. And you have a nice comics illustration of DARNA here at the back of the box. It says here Ravelo Comics Universe, Ravelo Studios, ABS-CBN, Funko Pop is a trademark of Funko LLC. I mean, take a look at that. Looks freaking amazing. One of the things I noticed is that they really went all out with the merchandising for DARNA. To those who don't know, they recently picked out the new DARNA. I think it's going to be Jane De Leon. And one of the more interesting things about what I've seen in the promotion is that apart from the Funko Pop, they actually announced like DARNA collectible statues. Like I think it's like 1/4. During the recent, was it the Comic Con or the Asia Pop Comic Con? I forgot. The Toy Con, sorry, the Toy Con. They had a booth over there with different statues of DARNA in different poses, as well as the enemies and even Captain Barbell. So hopefully we get to see more Funko Pops of different Filipino-inspired superheroes and characters in the coming months ahead. So now that we've seen what it looks like inside the box, it's time to see what it looks like outside the box. Boom! So let's put it here in my messy desk. This is how messy my desk is, guys. So you have a bunch of the headphones that I'm reviewing. You have a lot of the mess. It's a really messy desk. But anyway, oh, by the way, if I haven't posted it yet, I have a review of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earphones. One of the absolute best when it comes to sound quality. Watch out for that. So anyway, let's go back to the unboxing. So it does come in this box. And unlike other Funko Pop like collectors, I have a tendency of actually unboxing because I want to appreciate the pop first. And I usually don't sell them anyway. They're really more of collectible items for me and display items than an actual business. So let's put this box aside over here. And here you guys have it. We have the one and only DARNA. Take a look at that figure. Looks amazing. I love the fact that they didn't make it a bobblehead. I kind of don't like bobblehead Funko Pops. They kind of easily break. So it's nice that they use like the more typical vinyl setup for this Funko Pop. So you have those nice eyes with the eyelashes, complete with the eyelashes. You have the tiara wing over here with diamond crusted setting. You have that red helmet with the gold lining. You have, of course, the 2 stars on her breastplate. I don't know if it's a breastplate or if it's a bra or like a super bra. You have the gold belt. You have the red boots with the gold lining. And you have her black hair over here. Man, it looks like a really nice Funko Pop. Now, this type of Funko Pops with really thin legs usually doesn't stand properly. So if you put it there, yes, it stands well, yeah, there you go. So that's the reason why it also comes with a base. So you connect, there's a button here or there's a hole here at the foot. You connect it there so that it stands properly, so it doesn't like fall if you want to display it outside of the box. So that's what it looks like, guys. This is the DARNA Funko Pop. Ding! Kunin mo ng bato. I don't know if I said that properly, but yeah, it really brings me memories because when I was a kid, I used to watch Darna and Captain Barbell on local television, and it's just nice to reach a point where we actually have, you know, them in characters like this in Funko Pops. It's really amazing, and I think as a Filipino, it's something that we should be thankful for. But anyway, yeah guys, that's our unboxing and feature on the Darna Funko Pop. If you want to get one, please do check out the mechanics on the Big Boy Facebook page. I will put a link down below. This is dropping already, if I'm not mistaken, August 2 or August 1 during FunCon over at the Glorieta Activity Center. So all the details on how you can get one can be found in the description box. So make sure that you guys try to buy one because I'm not sure how many pieces they have, but this is definitely going to be a nice addition to your Funko Pop collection. Or if you haven't started collecting Funko Pops yet, now might be the best time to do so. Boom! Now, we're not yet done. We actually still have a few more Funko Pops to pick up. Like what I mentioned, we're going to get the Grail Funko Pop that I've been working on saving up for in a few minutes or in a few hours from now. But I still have a few more items I wanted to share with you guys before we get to the Grail Funko Pop. But before we get started, let me just show you how bad the situation is in my living room. So all of this is for unboxings. Even have like a massive mystery box over here. We have gadgets. We have a mystery box from Lazada. We have Under Armour sneakers, Adidas sneakers. We have the Oppo Find X over here. Oh man, we have like a nice chair waiting to be unboxed. We have more sneakers that I got from Nike or Nike, whatever how you want to pronounce it. It's Air Max 200, Air Max 270 React. We have new socks. We have a Famery from Mary Bautista mystery box from Pound It. And this is the one that I wanted to show you guys. This is from Sean. Thanks for the hookup, man. We have the Chrome Vegeta over here. Man, take a look at that. In silver. So this is the silver Chrome Vegeta. And huge shout out to Mary, Jay, Jason, and Sean for this Infinity Gauntlet gift. Appreciate the friendship, guys. And of course, this vlog wouldn't be complete if we don't bug my cat. So this is Rumfold. He's a Scottish Fold. If you guys want to check out more Scottish Fold, check out Bonnie V Cattery over at Instagram. Oh man, look at that. He's really enjoying this. Woohoo! Say hi to the vlog, Rumfold. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, so sweet. Now, apart from Rumfold, we also have Dusty over here. You guys have seen him a lot of times on the vlog. And he's just a really sweet, cuddly pet that helps distress everybody here at home. So, Dusty, blah. Rumfold, blah. Dusty, Dusty, Rumfold. It's now time to put this Vegeta in the place where he really belongs, which is our Dragon Ball Funko Pop room, which is a mess right now. Look how bad this room is. I really have to do some sort of like general cleaning. Now, I will get it a Boss Protector Plus so that it looks nice and it stacks well. But for now, I'll just put it here on top of Trevor Belmont. Boom! So you're probably thinking, what is the Grail Funko Pop? What is that Funko Pop that I've been saving up for? That Funko Pop that I've been desperately wanting to add to that massive collection over there. Here's a tip. Take a look at the shirt. And then I will be breaking out shoes specifically just for me for this occasion where I'm picking up my Funko Pop. Which shoes? Let's take a look. Not Goku, not Frieza, not Cell, not Gohan. There you go. There's the man. It's over 9,000. Let's do this. It's been a while since I last wore this pair of sneakers. So this is going to be indeed very, very special, special occasion for us. Dragon Ball Z, Adidas Originals. I think this is the Ultra Tech Vegeta. Let's go. I literally just plopped the box on my messy desk. With the Darna box propping it up. But anyway, here we have it. This, I actually did a review on this already, as well as the entire Adidas Dragon Ball Z collaboration. So if you haven't watched it yet, you might want to check it out. The Vegeta Ultra Tech. It says 9,000 over here. The other says, the other shoe says over. So it's over 9,000. We're headed to Green Hills for the meetup. I'll be picking up the Funko Pop that I told you. I'm super excited to buy it. Let's go. You know. Boom. Makaway ka na lang. Hey. After months of hunting, searching, and a ton of hustling to be able to save the funds needed to acquire the piece, here we have it, the rarest Dragon Ball Funko Pop. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Planet Arlia Vegeta, and I am just thrilled to be able to finally put this crowning piece, this Grail level Funko Pop, in my Dragon Ball Z Funko wall. So I will be doing a more exhaustive, I don't know, I probably will not unbox it. I will probably keep it in the state that it is, because this is hella expensive. You can just look it up so you have an idea how much it is. But I'll do another follow-up video on this one soon, so watch out for that. So guys, that's actually it for our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked the Funko Pops that I showed you, especially this Darna Funko Pop, again brought to you by ABS-CBN and Big Boy's Toy Store. So make sure that you guys check out the Facebook page of Big Boy. So Big Boy, not Big Boy Chenga, Big Boy Toy Store. So if ever you want to pick a pair up, I'm talking sneakers, if you want to pick up a Darna Funko Pop, you know what to do. So again, that's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.